je m'appelle Ashley, one of Amplify's layout artists.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Trans, one of Amplify's writers.
It's Literary Day here at APEC Bacoor.
And today we are going to interview cosplayers and tour us through their outfits. Kaya naman,
Sakay na! Okay, so, hi Miss! Hi! Can you tell us who are we with today po?
I'm Miss Jaya.
I'm Miss Lara.
I'm Janie Sasivni M. Austria from STEN 11-1.
Of course, I am Barbie. I am Maleficent.
Yashiro Nene.
Mahusay niya from 10-2.
I'm Sir Adi.
Hitori Goto, but most of my friends call me Bochi.
Hindi pa yun. So, who are you dressed up today and can you tour us through your outfit?
As what I have said, I am Maleficent, and I used recycled materials such as garbage bag, and I have a corset. It feels like, and I made tummy aches na, but yeah, I created this costume for a day last night.
It's very, very
Ang ganda, like, it really represents it.
It's very intimidating.
Dahil dyan,
Perfect.
perfect.
So,
Character do you portray, and can you give us some tour through your outfit?
Okay, so I'm Alice in Wonderland. And all of my outfit, I got it from RFC. And this one is from Shein. Char.
and how about you, Miss?
How about you, Miss?
I am portraying Beth March in Little Women. So I got this outfit in Quiapo, in Shein, in Shopee, in Baguio, and in RC.
Okay. It's very diverse.
So, who are you dressed up and can you tour us about your outfit?
Okay, I'm dressed up as Little Red Riding Hood from your usual fairy tale, children's fairy tale. My outfit was actually planned, messily planned since the announcement of Literary Day. I was gonna go as either Medusa, Maleficent, or Little Red Riding Hood, and I only sewed this last night only.
So, grabe.
And ukay, from the top is ukay, and then the skirt is also ukay.
Wow, oh my God.
Very, very
And tsaka yung hair niya, nagko-compliment talaga siya.
I know, right?
Diba?
It's very, very good.
Diba? Very in character talaga siya. So,
Can we ask what character do you portray, and can you give us some tour to your outfit?
The character I am portraying is from a well-known video game. It's called Resident Evil, and the character is Ada Wong.
so, my second question is, why did you choose to dress up as this character?
Well, Yashiro is kind of cheerful, and so I am. So
I chose this outfit.
yes.
And I can tell that you're really portraying the character naman.
It looks very pretty on you, especially this.
This hair.
This.
Napakaganda.
Thank
Very
you.
beautiful.
That's
So,
very.
thank you.
What inspired you to portray this character?
The reason why I portray this character is because the lead character of this anime is, he's the typical high school guy wherein pinoportray siya as weak, okay, wherein lagi siyang binubully. But I portray this character, it is because even though physically he's not that capable, I believe that because of his greed, because of his passion, he was able to conquer all of the challenges that he's facing. And at the same time, the reason why I chose to cosplay is because I think there's a need for us to, to encourage everyone to not to be shy, to portray their favorite literary character. And it's a way for us to encourage everyone to read books or read manga.
It's very inspirational, motivational.
Motivational.
So it made me cry.
So, last question. So, why did you choose to dress up as this character?
I actually relate a lot to her because she's both introverted but she's actually extremely talented, and she actually mentioned in one of the lines that maybe even someone like her can shine, and that actually inspires me to do the same as her.
So,
Okay, that's so inspiring, motivational.
very in character talaga siya. So my second question is, why did you choose to dress up as Little Red Riding Hood?
Because since Literary Day, I didn't really want to go as an anime character or comic. I wanted to go for the casual, old fairy tale type of character.
Okay. So, thank you. That's
Thank you so
it. Thank you
much.
so much.
So that is all we have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching.
I hope you guys enjoyed our video reel. For more updates, you should visit our Facebook page, Apex Coast Amplify.
Always remember to be updated.
Be heard, be amplified. Merci! One of Day at Ganon. Literary Day at NCC Apex. Full Pangor. Ano ba? Ay, ako pala. One of Amplify's layout artist. Wait lang, Merci.